Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a bank account for a KeyBank. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications if you enjoy the content. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL key.com. Once you do that, you'll be forwarded to their website and click on the sign on button at the top right. Then click on Enroll. And after you do that, you'll be forwarded to this page and you'll have to choose between personal account or business account that you're trying to create. So I'm gonna choose personal account. So then you'll have to enter your social security number here. So enter your social security number. Once you enter your social security number, you'll be forwarded to the further processes. And once you enter all the information in the further processes, your account will be created. So there you have it. That's how you sign up for the KeyBank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.